Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to go ahead and plant some seeds for the fall. So I'm headed out to the garden now. So I'm planting some stuff today and then I'll plant some more probably within the next couple of weeks. I can go ahead and give y'all a garden tour of what everything is looking like right now. We're kind of in that limbo land, so it just looks kind of sad right now. We went ahead and laid down a tarp right there. We're gonna probably put the collards and mustard all right here, going all the way down over there. Right here where the cattle fence is, I'm gonna go ahead and try some more cucumbers, and I think I'm gonna try some more big mama beans, maybe a couple of other things that climb. Here is the sweet potatoes. We planted these pretty late, so we'll see how that goes. I planted some more right there, but it looks like something came and ate them. This is the first time I'm seeing that since I planted them. I'm trying to look for tracks. Oh well, that's okay. I kind of had a feeling that would happen, and that's what happens if you don't have something to protect your garden. Here is our corn. Those are starting to come up now. And it looks like Gracie keeps getting into the garden. Over here we have the tarps down because I'm not really sure what is gonna go right there. And then we have our butternut squash, and you can see the weeds have just taken over. But we have butternut squash in there. Here's our squash and zucchini. There are blooms coming up. Not sure how this is gonna turn out though, because of this black stuff. There's a butternut squash right there. There's a few of them in there. The sweet potatoes. So Gracie keeps getting in the garden after I spent a lot of time planting corn last week, and now I'm finding her footprints all in my corn. So what I'm gonna do, this wire that we've had, I don't know why, but it is snapped and it's not reaching back to this post. So now I've got to figure out what I'm gonna do to keep her out, because she keeps wallering in my corn. And if you've ever planted corn by hand, you know how that is. So I'm gonna have to figure that out, and where she stepped, I'm probably gonna plant some more corn. But that makes it late now, so. Here I've got some jalapeno peppers. Here are sweet potatoes. They should be way bigger than that by now. There's onion seed in that pot right there. More sweet potatoes and more sweet potatoes here. Ooh, it is so hot. I should have did this morning. Anyways, I got a package in the mail of some seeds that I ordered. I know there's corn seed in here because I planted Hostel's Ambrosia corn last 2 weeks ago, and I'm gonna have to put some more in there because Gracie keeps stepping in the garden. But I can't remember what else. Oh, so I got a pound of Lima beans. I didn't know that I got that. And then I got some more corn. Whatever I don't use up this fall, I will use in the spring. Ambrosia sweet corn. So what I'm gonna do is, where Gracie stepped, I'm gonna have to go plant some more. So what I'm gonna plant today is, I'm gonna put these collards in the ground. Hang on a second and I'll tell you what those are called. Old Timey Blue. So I'm gonna put the Old Timey Blue collards in the ground, and then I'm gonna put some more seed in the ground. And then I'm also going to put some cucumber along the fence, and then at some point this week I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow. I'm gonna do some Big Mama beans. I'm either gonna use those cucumbers or I'm gonna use this one. This one I literally found at Home Depot. Nothing special about it, but I wanna make some pickles. I'm probably gonna plant these on the fence. Beans, snap beans. We'll see how that goes. So, let's get started. So this bag of snap beans only got me 1.5 panels. I could do a whole bunch of cucumbers. I mean, I don't see why not. I've got to figure out where everything's gonna go, and that's the problem, is I don't know where everything's gonna go in the garden. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the rest of these cucumber seeds. My grandmama, these are hers, but she said they're really old, so probably gonna try to finish out the whole rest of the way with cucumbers, I guess. Hey y'all, I am back and I just finished what I was gonna do for today. So what I did was, along the cattle fence right here, I planted some pole beans that my grandmother had. She said let's just go ahead and use those seeds, so I used those instead of Big Mama beans. And then I stopped about right here with that, and then the rest of the way to here I did cucumbers, and then I did 3 rows of collards, and those were transplants. I did seed right there. I did seed, so we'll see the difference between the transplants versus the seed. And then I went ahead and filled in some spots for my corn, because Gracie is walking all over my corn, and I found where she's getting in at, where the fence stopped. The mosquitoes are so bad right now, and I'm so thirsty. So I filled in the empty spots where I felt like her paws, you know, made it to where the seeds won't be able to come up. And I fertilized everything that I planted. Tomorrow, what I hope to do is clean out that patch back here. I think what I'm gonna do for the fall is patches. see how that works instead of just like long rows of everything. I kind of like the thought of having a mustard patch and a collard patch and a carrot patch. So I will try to clean up all that tomorrow, and then along that fence, and I can plant something on the last 2 panels that can climb. We'll see. And I will keep y'all updated. But for right now, I'm going to go get my seeds and go inside. I'm going to drink a whole bunch of Gatorade. I am so thirsty. And then I will get back with y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.